Hello, I'm Steve Ingram, an engineer here at ICWUSA. I'd like to introduce you to our UL180 on a wall mount with Ultra Slide keyboard. The Ultra Slide keyboard features include: the keyboard stows under the work tray when not in use. The keyboard can be used with the worktop tray flipped up or flipped down. The top work tray can be used for coding, scanning, or meds, and stays level in all positions while allowing the keyboard angle to be adjusted to positive, neutral, or negative tilt for ergonomic benefit. The sliding mouse tray can be used on either side to accommodate left or right-hand users and is equipped with built-in rounded wrist rests for improved wrist comfort. The keyboard can swivel along with the monitor or separately, and with the arm or by itself. When fully stowed, the unit's profile is less than 9 inches from the wall for easy clearance. The EV710 Monitor Mount allows several modes of ergonomic adjustment, including 7 inches of monitor height adjustment with dual friction locks, up to 14 inches forward and back adjustment, rotation from landscape to portrait and any position in between. The monitor swivels independently when required. Independent 50-degree tilt of the VISA ball mount. And our modular construction allows the optional addition of a dual monitor mounting rail and mounting of scanners and other devices behind the monitor or keyboard. The patented UL180 Arm has industry-leading features, including the Ultra 180 system allows industry-best 180 degrees of vertical movement along with 270 degrees of horizontal movement. Powered by the most durable gas springs available, made in our U.S. factory and tested to over 200,000 strokes, allowing a 5-year warranty. Built-in friction system keeps arm from drifting once it's moved into place for use. Adjustable lift to accommodate loads up to 32 pounds, counterbalanced for easy movement and position adjustment. 16 inches of vertical adjustment and up to 35 inches horizontal reach. Exterior cord covers keep wires organized, hidden, and protected. The durable baked-on powder coat finish, designed to be easy to clean and disinfect, is usable as a dry erase marker surface. Built to stand the rigors of healthcare and last many years.